for designs. Predictive maintenance, where AI predicts and prevents equipment failures in real time, will become the norm. This will drastically reduce downtime and maintenance costs, as AI systems will be able to detect potential issues before they become critical. Engineers will rely on AI to monitor and diagnose machinery, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. Personalized infrastructure, with AI customizing infrastructure solutions based on real-time data, will revolutionize urban planning. Smart cities will emerge, where AI manages everything from traffic flow to energy consumption, creating more livable and efficient urban environments. This level of customization will cater to the unique needs of each community, enhancing the quality of life for residents. Engineers who embrace AI will lead these advancements. They will be at the forefront of innovation, driving progress and setting new standards in the industry. Their ability to integrate AI into their workflows will be a key differentiator, enabling them to tackle challenges that were previously insurmountable. Those who don't will struggle to stay relevant in this rapidly evolving field. As AI continues to advance, the gap between those who adopt it and those who don't will widen. Engineers who fail to keep up with the latest AI technologies will find themselves at a significant disadvantage, unable to compete with their more technologically adept peers. Section 5. Your future in engineering. Learn AI now. The message is clear. Engineers must learn AI skills to thrive in the future job market. As technology evolves, the demand for AI expertise is skyrocketing. Engineers who adapt and integrate AI into their skill set will find themselves at a significant advantage. Start by learning the basics of AI and machine learning. These foundational skills will open doors to more advanced concepts and applications. Understanding algorithms, data processing, and neural networks is crucial. Explore online courses, attend workshops, and experiment with AI tools. Hands-on experience is invaluable. It allows you to apply theoretical knowledge to real-world problems, enhancing your learning process. The future of engineering is exciting. With AI, the possibilities are endless. From autonomous vehicles to smart cities, AI is transforming the way we live and work. By embracing AI, you can be at the forefront of innovation and shape a better world. Collaboration and creativity are key. Working with AI allows you to develop solutions that were once thought impossible. Don't wait, start learning today. The journey to mastering AI is challenging, but rewarding. Equip yourself with the skills needed to lead the next wave of technological advancements.